Some of the best advice I've learned in the content creation sphere, as far as putting yourself out there online and stuff like that, is, for one, like Shia LaBeouf said, just do it.
Do it! Just do it!
What are you waiting for? Just do it. Two, it would be in tandem with just do it because of the fact that nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Dude, trust me, you can post all day, and unless you are 1 in a billion lucky, you're just going to be posting into the void for a long time. There's a dude on social media, his name's Alex Hormozy. I listen to his stuff from time to time, and he gives an analogy, he gives a saying as far as like when you're online, you're creating a brand or you're posting content. Every time you post something, picture an amphitheater, a big theater. You're on stage and you share something. Could be a tweet, a post, a picture of yourself saying, hey guys, have a nostalgic Saturday. It could be anything. You post that out into the internet. For a long time, there's going to be one clap in the audience. And that's going to be you. You got to make sure that you applaud yourself and make sure that that one clap is good enough for you, because for a long time there's just going to be you. Now some people are lucky and they can start off with a handful of people, friends and family, but over time, as you cheer yourself on, there'll be more people that will show up and start to cheer you on. And so that's kind of what I always have in my head every time I post. It's like, for one, just do it. Two, nobody ultimately cares, because a lot of us are in our head about being judged, or, oh my God, these people are gonna, I can't share my action figure collection with people or comic books because the world, or all of these people from work, or they're gonna think I'm a nerd. Man, f these people. Just get out there and share what you love, man. Vibe up and be you. And so I do challenge you out there to do something like that. If you've wanted to make content, or if you wanted to start a brand, or if you wanted to play video games or share your gaming sessions, I'm sure you out there, you guys play games, but don't share that with anybody. Maybe you should go live. You don't have to show your face. You don't even have to talk. Just break the ice. Get out there and vibe up and be creative. Be a synthesizer, right? We'll talk about that another time, but be a synthesizer, dude. Create from nothing. And so that's just kind of some of the inspiration that helps me. So my friends, let's vibe up. Let's stay nostalgic. Let's get it. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.